What's up guys, Pog here, and welcome to today's video where I will be unboxing the all new iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the box right over here. As you guys can see, we do have the all new camera. It does have the bump over here. And if you look at it, it does look that it's already unboxed, but it is not. Apple has changed the packaging. As you can see over here, now we have these pull tabs right over here on the top, as well as right here on the bottom. This is also the new Sierra Blue color. Apple does offer this new iPhones with 1 terabyte of storage, which is just amazing, but at the same time pretty expensive. So I ended up sticking with the 256 gigabytes. Now, if you do want to see the unboxing of the iPhone 13, I will have a link in the description so you guys can see it. And if you do want to see the new Starlight color for the iPhone 13 or the graphite for the 13 Pro, I will also have a link in the description for these so you guys can go over to my sister's channel to check them out. I also ended up buying the iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case, which has the MagSafe built in. We'll fit it onto this phone and see how it looks. But here we have it. So on the top of the box, you can see the camera bump. The phone is sticking out a little bit right there. iPhone here on the left, Apple logo on the bottom, iPhone on the right. In the back, iPhone 13 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Includes iPhone 13 Pro Max and USB-C to Lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. So yeah, we still do not get the Lightning earpods or the USB-C power adapter. Thankfully, I do have them though. Slides right off pretty smooth. And here is the new Sierra Blue, and I actually like this a lot more than my Pacific Blue of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here's the bottom for the camera cutout, and wow, this camera system is not small. Look at that. Okay, let's put this on the side here. In the box, of course, we have the Lightning to USB-C charging cable, designed by Apple in California. Inside here, we have the SIM eject tool, some instructions, and we also have the Apple sticker, but it's in a different kind of, yeah, it feels like it's paper now right there. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. All right, so Apple sticker, thankfully that's still included. We unfortunately don't get 2, but we do get 1. Put this over here and put it away. And let's take a look at the phone. Here's the protector for the screen. It does show that the Lightning port is right here for charging. And then on the left side shows where the silent switch is, volume up and down, as well as the power button. Let's peel this off. Hold the power button here to turn on the device. Apple logo shows up. While this is doing its thing, let's look at the sides. Here's the stainless steel of the Sierra Blue. It actually looks really nice. Mute switch right over here. 2 antennas over here. Volume up and down. SIM tray. Here's iOS 15. Power button here on the right with the 2 antenna bands. In the back, we still have the Apple logo right in the center. Here's the look again to the Sierra Blue. Looks great. Frost finish here on the back with the glossy finish by the cameras. So that's pretty nice. Also got the new camera system. So we have the ultra wide, as well as the telephoto right there, the True Tone flash, LiDAR sensor. Really liking this new color for sure. On the bottom, we also have the Lightning port as well as the speakers, and the earpiece has now been moved out right here on the top. The notch is definitely noticeably smaller. I'm really excited to try out the 120 Hz display, but at the same time, I was hoping that Apple would put the Touch ID from the iPad Air as well as from the iPad Mini over here to the power button, but unfortunately, they did not. Face ID is amazing. I love Face ID, but at the same time, I do prefer using Touch ID during the times right now we're in with the masks and all that. I don't really want to have my Apple Watch nearby in order to easily unlock. Hopefully Apple will have Touch ID on the power button in the future. Anyway, let's go over here, swipe up, and go with the setup process for the first time. English, Canada. We have quick start here. So what this does is I can bring my device that's already set up next to this phone, and pretty much it'll just move everything I have into this new iPhone 13 Pro Max from my current phone. But I'm going to go with setup manually. Again, you can see the notch is actually noticeably different. I do like it. Hopefully we'll have an option to have battery percentage though. Gonna connect here to my Wi-Fi. Hit join. Interesting. That's it next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. While we're waiting for this, let's also open up the leather case. Here's the packaging for the leather case, iPhone 13 Pro Max leather case. Now, if you do have this case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, unfortunately that will not fit. So you do have to get yourself the 13 Pro Max case for that to work out. It is $79 here in Canada plus taxes. So yeah, it's not cheap, but all we do is we pull it, still have the premium packaging. Here it is. Take that out. There's a MagSafe right over here. Very nice. And this one is the midnight leather case. We have data and privacy. Let's hit continue. Face ID. Gonna set this up. Here's what the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max looks like. Definitely like the Sierra Blue more. Really easy to set up Face ID for sure. Continue. We're gonna create a passcode. Here we have the apps and data, so we can restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android. I'm gonna go with don't transfer apps and data. We have the option to log into iCloud. I am going to go with don't have Apple ID for now, and then set up later in settings, don't use. Terms and conditions. Keep your iPhone up to date. So this will help you to get the latest features and security improvements by updating iOS automatically. Let's hit continue. iMessage and FaceTime. We'll hit continue. Locations and services. Let's set up Hey Siri. Oh, we actually have an option to choose a voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you...
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you...
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you...
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. You. Hi, I'm Siri.
Okay, we're gonna go with the third one.
Hi, I'm Siri.
This is the
Choose
one.
voice
Let's go
you'd like me
next.
to use.
Siri. Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri, play some music. All right, so we have Siri ready. Let's go continue. Press and hold the side button to talk to the Siri anytime, just like before. Let's hit continue. Gonna go with not now. Screen time, we'll hit continue. iPhone analytics, don't share. And then we have here appearance. So we can go with light as well as dark. We can go with dark mode. Let's hit continue. Display zoom. So we can go with the zoomed look or the standard. I prefer standard. Let's hit continue. And welcome to the iPhone. Here we have it. I mean, with this wallpaper, the notch is not even visible. I mean, until I look this part. But I want to see, can we have a battery percentage? Because that's one thing I've really missed from my iPhone 8 Plus. Let's go to battery. And unfortunately, we still have to swipe down to see the battery percentage. Maybe later they'll add it, especially having the extra space here. I really want to see my battery percentage. I really miss that feature. I don't want to swipe down every time to see it. The 120 Hz display. Let's go over to the settings and then general software update. So we can install the iOS 15. Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and
HomePod Mini took over. Gotta unplug that. Sorry, HomePod Mini. Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and 15 degrees. Expect clear skies.
Hey Siri, open photos. Hey Siri, open camera. Photographic style. Choose a style. Standard style. Can kind of play around with it. That's nice. Okay, let's go use cool. Now it does have the automatic switch between the camera to give you the best, but the phone is switching it. So you see it right there, but it does not show me that it did change it. So we have video here as well as the cinematic at beautiful shallow depth of field. Let's install the case and see how it looks. The MagSafe animation happened, which is pretty cool. And I love how with the leather cases, you always get this different kind of case, like the patterns are different. So it's always a bit different. Here's the flash. Test out the Face ID. Works pretty good. And 120 hertz is really cool. Let's go over to my website real quick. This is something to get used to, but you can definitely change this. If I go over to the settings here and then into Safari, I can just tap here onto the single tab, and now Safari search bar is back on the top. Yeah, the 120 hertz, that's impressive. I like it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max here in the Sierra Blue color. Now, I do wish that Apple did include the power adapter as well as the earpods, especially how this was only included with the iPhone 11 Pros, I believe. Otherwise, you were getting a slower charger. So yeah, if you do not have a fast charger, I do recommend you guys to get it. It definitely helps you with charging. It's really quick. But yeah, we still get just the phone, the USB-C cable, and the box, and an Apple sticker. But anyway, this is the ideal setup that you want to have out of the box. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.